Hey everyone, it's Erica. Welcome back to the Clique Kits channel. Today I have a scrapbook process video for you, and I'm going to start off by showing you the cut file that I'm using. I've already gone ahead and backed it with some papers from the kit and then applied it to a white piece of cardstock. For the cardstock, I did add a little bit of color to it. I used the Distress ink in that very light pink, and then some Jenny B blue from Shimmers. I just used the packaging technique and added the mist directly to the paper with that. It just added a little bit something. It's really light and subtle, but in the close-ups you can see the color. So I'm just kind of going through the things that are in the kit and the things that I'm going to be using. We do still have a few of these kits left in the shop, so if you're interested in them, I'll make sure to leave a link down below for you and you can check it out. This kit did feature the Bella Boulevard collection, and then we also have Maggie Holmes in this as well, along with some pebbles. And I really love the colors in this kit. I used a lot of the Bella Boulevard collection. It's the cut apart sheet that comes in the kit to back the leaves on the cut file. The cut file I got from the Silhouette store, and it is one of the cuts from Paige Evans. I really love her cut files, and a lot of them are great for backing them with smaller pieces of paper. I love to use the cut files, especially towards the end of my kit when I only have smaller pieces left, because it's a great way to use up the smaller scraps in your kit. So right now I'm just backing the photo, and I just used a couple of the cut aparts that I had cut apart and didn't end up using to back the file with. So I just backed the photo with them, and then I'm going to add a piece of vellum to that as well. The vellum, I think, just adds a little bit of softness to it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that up and then add that to the photo. I did use foam tape to pop up the cut file from the white cardstock. And I just like the little bit of height and dimension that it gives the project. I did find this doily on my desk, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that apart and add that to my photo as well, and then get that all stuck down. I do use foam tape on the back of my photo as well. I really love how this came out, and I think I'm going to add this one to a shadow box and hang it up in my office. I have a couple of them now hanging in the office or on one of my bookshelves of layouts that I've done, and I really like how they look in the shadow boxes. So I'm just going to add the doily there, and I'm not sure where this doily came from. I probably pulled it from a stash of embellishments or something. I'm not sure. It was just sitting on my desk. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this ephemera pack, and this is from I believe it's called Girl Squad from Pebbles, and it's got some really cute pieces in there. So I'm just going to try to pull some out that I think I will use on my layout. There's some coffee cups, a guitar, some tickets, some ampersands, some really cute frames, some sayings and sunglasses and all kinds of fun stuff. So I'm just going to pull out the ones that I think that I might use. I don't use all of them, but I do use a few of them. So I'm just kind of going through it. It's the first time that I'm opening up this ephemera pack. And I'm kind of looking things over, and I know that I'm not going to use this piece all as one, so I go ahead and cut it up because I know I just want to use the floral. And actually, I don't even think I end up using it, but I'll end up using it on something else. I really love this Hello Darling, this big old circle piece, ephemera piece, so I know I'm going to use that. And so I'm just going to kind of move things around and try to figure out where I want everything placed. I do end up sticking the circular ephemera piece down there in the corner, and that ends up staying there. And then this floral piece will go up here in the corner. And I'm just going to continue to add different pieces of ephemera around. Now this 8x8 vellum is from Pretty Little Studio, and it's the specialty paper that comes in the kit. And I know I won't use it as a full piece, so I'm going to go ahead and cut up these leaves, fussy cut them, and stick them around my layout in different places. And I love how the leaves look just sticking out from different pieces of ephemera on the page. So I cut, I think, maybe 5 or 6 of them out. I kind of fast forward through that or cut all the cutting out of the video, but you will see me cutting up a few of them. And I place them down one time, and then later in the video I end up moving them to another place. So all right, I did go ahead and stick that down, and I'm going to add these two gold leaves here, and then I'm also going to stick some up in the corner by the floral ephemera, and I believe that's the one. I think I do end up moving the one up in the corner down below. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on moving around and placing and moving embellishments until I get them to where I like. I take forever doing embellishments to my layout. It looks quick and easy in the video, but I move it around so many times before I actually decide, yep, that's where I want it. And then even when I decide, yep, that's where I want it, I look at it and I'm like, nope, that's not where I want it. And I move it again. And I'm sure I'm not the only one, but Sandy, she just sticks it down like nothing. She doesn't take forever to do layouts like I do. She's a lot faster, and once she puts something somewhere and she sticks it down right away. She's good at that. Me, not so good. I take forever. Like this piece right here, I swear I need to use it, and I want to use it, and I think I have to use it, and I place it in like 100 different places on the layout, and it never gets used. I don't think. I think I end up taking it out. So here is this gold ephemera piece, and I'm just gonna stick it behind, kind of peeking out from the photo. I'm not sure what it says, but I cover up the saying. I just want the little bit of gold sticking out. So now I'm pulling out these Maggie Holmes puffy word stickers, and they are so pretty. There's one that says I love you, and the other one says dream. So I'm kind of just seeing which one I want. I know I want to use one of them on the layout, so I'm just kind of going back and forth on where I want it and which one I want. In the end, I end up picking out the one that says dream, and I kind of just lay it, kind of let it fall where it wants to fall, and just press it down. I love these stickers. I think I need like 5 more packs of them. They're so pretty. They're delicate and light and just pretty, and gold. So I'm gonna add a few more pieces of ephemera. I found this ticket that's the same color aqua as the leaves in the cut file. So I'm going to go ahead and place that ticket down, and then I use this flare that comes in the kit. This one was designed by Miriam. And then I end up pulling out some ephemera pieces from the January Clique kit. The ephemera from Vicki Wooten is like a never-ending pack of ephemera, and honestly it goes with so many collections. So I went through there and I pulled out some leaves that I thought went well with this, and I stuck them down around some different floral pieces on the layout. So right there, there's some leaves I was adding. Those were from Vicki Wooten, and the big green one sticking out from the circle Hello Darling ephemera, that's also from Vicki Wooten's ephemera pack. These things are awesome. I love her ephemera packs. So I'm just adding a couple of floral pieces here and there, just to add a little more to the layout. There I am trying to decide, let's see, where is this one gonna go, and then add some glue and finally commit and stick it down. So I love how those look. So here's some more Vicki Wooten things. I thought I needed to add a little bit more black, so I was trying to make these work, but I don't end up using them. I do pull that pink label also from the Vicki Wooten ephemera pack, and I'm just going to add a little bit of journaling to that. And the last thing I think I do is add some gold Heidi Swap color shine to the layout, just a couple splatters, and then I pull some Bella Boulevard enamel hearts that also are included in this November kit, and add a few of those around my layout, and that pretty much completes the layout. So I'm going to leave you with music for the end of the process. I do have some close-ups at the end of the video. I will leave links to my blog post on the Clique Kits blog down below, and also links to products that I use so you can check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not a subscriber to the Clique Kits channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and also join us in the Clique Facebook group. I will make sure to leave a link down below. And again, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.